You've also discovered how your habits and your movement patterns are often been inherited, but the key thing is how we can be a circuit breaker. Hello and welcome back. So we're in our final week of Somatic in September. Can you believe it? The month has gone so fast. I hope you've enjoyed this month. I've enjoyed it. And as I've mentioned, do let me know, this week, how you've been getting on with your movement practice. We've covered a lot this week. So I just want to do a little recap, a little summary of what we've actually learned and how you're really starting to become totally somatic. You see, it's all these little nuggets that you've had over the weeks is really starting to shift and change your approach to your health and well-being. So we've learned a lot, haven't we? For a start, you've had these wonderful resources. So you had the 33-minute movement session, and then you also had the audio, the Regulate, which was the breathing and the eye movement. However, in between that, do you remember I mentioned about the shoulder shrugs? So again, getting you just to do some little mini embodiment and total somatic practices throughout your day. So you just start to get out of your head, where a lot of us will live when we're stressed, back into your beautiful body. So we start to become mindful, aware, and embodied in our practice. So let us consider what we've learned over the weeks. We've basically gone from like pain to empowerment. So we're starting to shift away from one state into more of an empowered, educated state. It's really important that we shift states because that's how we make progress long term. So we've learned how your soma is a living, sensing self. You've also explored how your brain holds tension. Do you remember about sensory motor amnesia? And the most important thing is how to unlearn it, or how to break that sensory motor amnesia with the process of pandiculation. You've also discovered how your habits and your movement patterns are often been inherited, but the key thing is how we can be a circuit breaker, how we can stop that. And remember, it was through mirror neurons and mimicry. Fantastic subject. I know I keep going on about it, but I find it so fascinating. So we've looked at all that, but now what we want to do is look at how we can take action to recalibrate and reconnect, because that's the key thing. It's not enough just to know this academically. We need to be able to put things into practice. How many people do we know that can talk the talk, but do they actually walk the walk? And that's where we need to ask ourselves. We can be really good at collecting knowledge, but not actually following through with the practice. So this is where I'm encouraging you to consider stepping forward and exploring this at a deeper level. So I'd like to introduce you to the Total Somatics online membership. This is a really, really effective way of moving from just picking up knowledge into fully practicing and embodying this as a lifestyle change. So within the Total Somatics online membership, that really is your next step. It's a very structured, supportive global community, and you've got access to on-demand clinical somatic movement classes. So wherever you live in the world, you just click on, and there are so many classes that you can pick and choose of different duration and different areas of your body. There's regular Q&A sessions with me too, so I'm there to support you every step of the way. I bring these out on a regular basis, and it's with a view to encouraging you to use and make good use of the membership. So many of the questions that you'll ask me, I'll be able to show you a resource or a movement session or a workshop within the Total Somatics membership that can really delve deeper into that pain point or that issue that you have. Also within the membership, we explore at a deeper level the importance of mindset, mindfulness, and using the process of neuroplasticity to create healthy, new, empowering habits. It's really important. And you have ongoing support, guidance, and accountability from me. So that's where I come in to play as well, is I'm very much involved in the membership. That's why I only open the membership doors a few times throughout the year for a few days, because the rest of the time I am fully focused on the Total Somatics members. Again, people can ask me publicly questions, but many times I get emails from people within the membership, and then I'm helping to focus on addressing their focus, their plan, how we're moving forward. So it's very tailored to everybody, but you have these amazing resources within the Total Somatics online membership to help you get those results. And that's the thing, is because all that information is there for you. You don't have to try and figure this all out yourself. You don't have to do this alone. The Total Somatics online membership is there. You have tools, you have practices, you have a support system with me and all the wonderful people around the world that are in the Total Somatics membership. You see, what we can start doing is moving out of pain and getting into more peace, more harmony within our nervous system, getting out of that angst and that worry about how we're going to get the shopping in the house, how we want to move freely. You know, just the daily, I see it all the time, the daily issues that people have, the troubles that they have. When we bring this practice in, it starts to take away a lot of those issues that people have just had as a daily wearing and tearing and dragging them down and feeling like this is their life. There are many people in the membership, and recently there was a soma seed with someone called Jennifer, and Jennifer has tried everything, and after her hip operation she had terrible neuropathy, and then she found Total Somatics and she started to practice Total Somatics, and now she is doing so well. She's now able to walk so much more freely. She doesn't have the pain she had, but she was being told because of her age and because of her situation that she was just going to have to put up with this. But she knew there was something out there that was going to help her, and Total Somatics is the answer. That's what helped her, and I know that'll help you too. So that consistent, that regular practice is what is really going to shift and change you from this current state where you may be limited with your pain, you may have restriction in your movement, you may find your posture's not as great as it could be, your breathing is impacted, all of these factors. The Total Somatics online membership has a huge resource and support system for you. As I said, you don't need to do it alone. I've been doing this for many, many years, many workshops within the membership that will target many health issues, and it's there at your fingertips. So if you'd like to join the Total Somatics online membership, the doors are now officially open. They'll only be open for a few days, so please check out and have a look at the details. If you go to totalsomatics.com, click on the Join Now page, not only will you see when we close the doors to the membership, but you'll see the benefits that you have by joining the online membership. And the great thing is, whatever the price is when you come into the membership, it stays that price for the life of your membership with Total Somatics. So the prices won't increase, it will stay exactly the same. So that's, for me, just as a thank you for your commitment and your loyalty towards Total Somatics. Whatever that price is when you come in, it won't change. It's not going to increase at all. So that's totalsomatics.com. Click on the Join Now page and have a look at the benefits and everything that there is for you there. And also, the doors will only be open for a few days. So come on in before the doors close, and then we can get started on your health and well-being. And again, I'm always saying this, but I'm going to say it again. We're looking to take care of your current and future health and well-being. And we can do that with Total Somatics online membership. So I look forward to seeing you within the membership very soon. So that's totalsomatics.com. Click on the Join Now page, and I'll see you soon. All my love and my very best wishes. Take care. Bye. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this episode, please leave a rating and also forward this on to somebody you know will benefit. To learn more about pain relief, plus how to improve your health and well-being, go to totalsomatics.com. Until next time, take care.